Hey guys, welcome back to Build with Nick. It's good to be back, and we are here in the episode 17 of our key handover series. We are checking this house here in Beckenham, south of the river here in Perth, and this house is a squat block. The land size is around 500 square meters. The lot area of the house is roughly around 240 square meters. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2 garage, and it has a beautiful theater room as well. The land is around 20 by 18 in terms of dimension, and the land is a squat block, which is a perfect square. Alright, so we are already inside of the house, but before we go to the internal aspect of the house, Beckenham is located around 20 minutes away from Perth CBD, 10 minutes away from Perth Airport, and you have Westfield Carousel, which is around 10 minutes drive from this location. And the good thing as well, it is close to Curtin University, Murdoch University, and close to a lot of train stations such as Beckenham train station and Carrington train station. It has a lot of schools as well. If you're looking for a high school, elementary, or for the kinder, you have St. Norbert College, you have Rehoboth Christian College as well, and a few more schools around the area. Alright, so this area of the house is the master bedroom. It's beautiful, 3.8 by 4, very spacious, and we have your ensuite toilet and bathroom over here, but we have a his and her wardrobe, so one for the lady on the side and one for the for a guy like me. I would say this is more than enough space for me. That's the beauty of this house. All of the bedrooms are carpeted. They are believed to decor ceiling as well, and we have your own suite toilet and bath. We have a double sink, which is a beautiful thing for an ensuite toilet and bath, and at the same time we have your double shower, and this is really spacious. I really like the design and how they pick the color combination for their ensuite toilet. And we have a lot of cupboards around this ensuite toilet and bath, and we have the toilet. You have your own privacy as well. That is the master bedroom. Now we're going to the 3 more bedrooms and to the theater room, but before that we have your common toilet and bath. And the good thing about this common toilet, it has a small sink, which is beautiful because if you're washing hands and everything, you don't have to go to the shower. Now moving forward, we have a good enough space for another shower area. We have your bathtub, sink, and of course a single shower. The single shower is not that small as well. It's very spacious, as you can see. And yeah, I really like how they choose the tilings for their shower. Alright, so moving forward again, so we have a very spacious hallway, as you can see. I would say it's about 1 meter or 1.2 meters. And now we have your theater room. As an open theater room, that's a good thing about this theater room because it can be a playroom for the family if they have a small kid, and of course it is close to the outdoor of the house. There's a lot of light coming in, which is perfect for summer. You can save electricity and everything. Alright, so now we have 2 or 3 more bedrooms. They're about the same size. They're approximately, I would say, 3 by 3.2 or 2.8 by 3. So you have your window, and of course a very spacious another bedroom number 2. Similar thing with bedroom number 3. I would say this one's I think bedroom 2 and 4, they're about the same size, but bedroom number 3 is a much more spacious, a lot more light coming in, and I can see directly towards the outside of the house. Okay, all right. Before I forgot, all of the rooms are centralized air conditioned as well. So this is the similar size as a bedroom number 2. You have your window, few more outlets. As you can see, there's one over there, one over here, and like I said, there are centralized aircon. It means you can control the aircon through the simple button. But if you're sleeping, of course, you don't want to get up and click the button. There's actually an app where you can connect and you can simply turn off and turn on the air condition. Okay, and the most exciting part before we head to the common area, as usual guys, it has been a long time. Don't forget to hit that like button. Comment below if you have any video you want me to do, and I'm excited to be back as well. Of course, the most important thing is subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are planning to build a house, feel free to email me, message me, and I'm more than happy to help you. Alright, without further ado, let's move forward to the spacious common area. Alright, so this is your common area. As you can see, the good thing about building a squat block, it is spacious, right? So with the squat block, there is less hallway, less corners of the house, but more on an open space. So you have a very massive living area. We have a double doors as well for our entrance. As you can see, we have 2 doors over here, and few more space over here. It can be an office space maybe, or something like an entrance for the guests. And yeah, a very spacious common area. I would say the TV will be on this side, and this will be the living area, and we have your dining area over here, and of course you have your kitchen over here. The good thing about this space, it is an overflowing of free movement and everything. So if you want to watch movie, everyone can watch the movie from the living area towards the dining area and the kitchen. And mentioning the kitchen, I really like how they choose the white color combination, and with the combination of the brown or beigey flooring. So I think this one might be a hybrid floor. So we have a massive bench top. You have a double sink. Bench top, I would say it's going to be around 1.2 meters width and around 1.5 long length. And you have a double pantry on this side, few more cupboards on top, and of course the L shape of their kitchen. A lot of cupboards, and we have they have chosen an electric stove, same as my stove at my house, and you have your oven, and of course space for the this washing machine. Yeah, it's really a good kitchen, a very open space, a lot of space, perfect for 2 people moving around the kitchen, space for cooking, and space for serving your guests. And I've seen that there's another outlet that you can plug in the bench top. And all of them, they have a splash top glass, which is perfect, and a see-through that you guys can see from the outside of the house, from the kitchen, going to their al fresco. Okay, so before we go to the al fresco, let's visit the last part of their second to the last part of their house, which is their laundry area, or their mud room. Okay, so we have a cabinet over here, and of course your sink, one more cupboard over here, and of course your space where you can put your washing machine and dryer. Alright, so second to the last part of our video, we have your al fresco, very huge ceiling and plenty amount of space to move around the al fresco. You just need a bit of tender loving care, probably cut the grass, put some fake grass or anything. But yeah, there's a lot of potential in this al fresco, and it has a fencing already that has been provided by the neighborhood, which is perfect. That's pretty much it for the alfresco. Few more places where you can put plants or any design of the house. Yeah. Shall we move to the garage? The size of the garage is roughly 5.8 by 5.8. It can definitely fit two medium SUV. One over here, one over here is quite spacious, and we have an open storage as well, roughly 2 by 2 space, and there's a way going at the back of the house, which is on this side. Alright, that's the beauty of this garage. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching our Key Handover series episode 17 here in Beckenham. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. If you want to build a house here in Perth, remember Perth is still the most cheapest state in Australia, number 7 apparently. So there's still a lot of potential in Perth, Western Australia. So feel free to message me if you want to build a house here in Perth. Yeah, obviously hit that like button, comment below if you have any question, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye for now.